and welcome to DIY Valentine's Day cards. I am Kara, aka Clefairy Creations, and for these first cards, I know it looks like I am doing them very fast. I accidentally set my camera to go just a little bit too fast, so these first two happened very quickly. These were kind of the warm-up cards. Don't worry, I have other cards. So for our next three cards, this process is going to go by a little bit slower. Sorry again about that. No plannings really happened for these cards. I just kind of went with whatever I thought would go well together. I tried to make them look like they were a set that went together. Some of them turned out just a bit more unique than the others, but overall, I had a really fun time with this process. And as we are starting this lovely card making process, I would like to read to you one of my Valentine poems. It's not really mine. I got it off the internet. But it says, I'm creating this because I want to say, you are special. Happy Valentine's Day. So there you go. If you don't have anyone reciting a poem to you this Valentine's Day, you can come back to this video and have my lovely voice read you a lovely poem, because happy Valentine's Day. I know with Valentine's Day, there can be a lot of pressure put on you or, specifically maybe someone you know who doesn't seem to have it all together, or they think they don't have it all together. And especially if that person is yourself, I want you to know that it's definitely okay. You don't have to have it all together every day, every minute, every hour. Valentine's Day is about love. And yes, the emphasis goes on loving that person that you are with, whether that be, a new relationship or an old relationship. However, it can also be about the relationship with yourself and loving yourself and showing yourself some kindness and care this month. So, for example, I am going to be celebrating Valentine's Day with someone else, but also with myself. To show myself some love, I think that my plan for that could be as simple as ordering sushi one night and maybe going to pick up my favorite coffee. Those are little acts of kindness that I think myself would greatly enjoy. Love doesn't have to be big and expensive and grand. It can be simple, and if you have someone in your life who you love, or if you have something in your life that you love, don't take it for granted and make the best time that you can with everything that you have, because no matter what, even putting in just that little bit of effort can make the world of difference for yourself and someone else. All right, and for one more last cheesy Valentine, it is titled Sunshine Valentine. I'll be very happy if you'll be my Valentine. You'll fill my heart with joy and my day with bright sunshine. Anyway, thank you guys so much for sticking around with my rant about love and Valentine's Day and my cheesy Valentine's poems. I really appreciate it. I hope to encourage you guys to create your own Valentines this season. And if you do and you want to post it, feel free to tag me on Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, wherever you may post it, at Clefairy Creations for all of them. And I will see you guys back again next Friday with a new video. Happy creating, everyone!